welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm still in Betong, Thailand, and my sister. Today I'm still in Betong, Thailand, at my sister Somtam restaurant, and there was a request for the super spicy seafood chili dip that was made by my sister, and she agreed to show us how she make the seafood chili dip. Just interval between she selling her Somtam, and she will show us how she make this chili, and this is the ingredients. How it's very spicy because of this one chili padi, the Thai chili padi is very spicy. So it's about 2 tablespoons and a handful of red bird eye chili and some Thai garlic, some cilantro roots, and yeah, she will show us how she do it. But right now she's still making something for customer. By the way, this restaurant is very famous Somtam restaurant, and they're not just selling Somtam, they're selling other things as well. And this is the grill section. They have barbecue chicken and barbecue chicken. They have to prepare this before the customer come, just before lunchtime. And this is the Somtam corn. Wow, looks so nice. Okay, I want to do the serving for the customer. Here is the corn salad. Malacha. So these are the ingredients. If you like, this is already very spicy, but if you want more spicy, so the chili will need. So she first put in the cilantro roots, and she pound. It is best that if you have the mortar and pestle that you make from stone, so it is easy to pound. So I can pound. So in the mortar is chili and cilantro roots, and just put every ingredient inside there and pound. So we need to pound this one until fine. No need to make too fine, just like flaky a bit. We need it to be more flaky. Notice that she doesn't remove the garlic skin, so that is why sometimes when I cook my food I don't remove the skin, as I learned from my sisters. And she put in the paste sugar or the palm sugar. That is about 1 tablespoon, 1.5 tablespoon. Fish sauce. So now she's putting in the fish sauce. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This is lime juice. For the restaurant, right? They have to prepare the lime juice like that. 1, 2, 3 spoon.
น้ำตาลใส่อีกหน่อยมันบ่ใส่ขึ้นรสนี่นะน้ำตาล
A bit more. My sister added a little bit more of paste sugar because we don't put
ใส่น้ำ
MSG. Yeah, if you like to put MSG, then you just go ahead and put it. But when we eat, we don't use the MSG. So.
แซ่บ
ไหนดูสิอร่อยอร่อย she say อร่อยแซ่บ is อร่อย our
แซ่บอีหลีเด้อ
ฮะไหนดูสิ
แซ่บอีหลี
so she's putting in the cilantro leaf. Yeah.
อ้าวโอเคจบ
finish. Wow.
สะใจไปซื้อหอยมาลวกดิ
She said this one is you can grill cockles or any other grilled seafood. Look at it. It looks so delicious. Spicy seafood chili dip. ขอบคุณค่ะ thank you ค่ะ พี่ตอม บ๊ายบาย so this is the finished product the spicy seafood chili dip and today I'll be eating with the grilled meatball scoot over This is cilantro roots. It is cilantro leaf. So good. So spicy. Oh, that's so good. Last one. It's so good and so spicy. Really nice. I give it a thumbs up.